Okay, so today I'm going to be doing MRAM with the same function yesterday that I did RRAM. So you can see kind of the difference. Okay, we're still doing the interval between negative 1 and 3. We're using 8 rectangles to approximate the area. Okay, so again, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of sketch the graph. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same thing here. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is negative 1. Okay. So my function, parabola that opens down, it's going to look something like this. Okay. So again, I'm breaking up from here to here into 8 rectangles. So the distance is 4, so each one of my rectangles is going to be 1/2 wide. Okay. Now, I'm going to be using midpoint rectangles, which means that my rectangles, or the height, comes from where it hits the function in the middle. So my first rectangle is going to look like that. So the actual height is coming here from negative 0.75. The next one is coming from, the height is coming from negative 0.25 because it's in between 0 and negative 0.5. So my second rectangle looks like this. And then the next one looks like this. And then this one like that. This one looks like that. This one looks like that. This one here. And this one right here. Okay, so that's what my rectangles look like when I write them out. So, since my rectangles are starting, and this is where it kind of gets tricky, my rectangles are starting at negative 0.75. Okay? And they are 0.5 wide. That means that these rectangles happen every 0.5. So, negative 0.25, and then 0.25, 0.75, 1.25, 1.75, 2.25, and 2.75. Okay, so those are where I'm going to be calculating the heights. And again, we're just plugging them in, so it'd be like f of negative 0.75, and then you plug that in, so negative 1/2 times negative 0.75 squared plus 7, and you plug it into your handy dandy calculator and you get 6.71875. Okay, so that's the height. And again, you're going to do that for all of these. And a lot of these numbers are going to look similar to yesterday's numbers. Because yesterday when we did our RAM, we did 2.5 and it was 3.875, and here we're doing 2.75 and it's 3.2. So again, we're going to take all of these heights. Remember, these are the heights of each rectangle. So I add these up and I get my total height, which is 46.75. And again, I'm not looking for the height, I'm looking for the area. So it's base times height. So area equals the total height times the width, or the base, of each one, which means this is 46.75 times 0.5. Actually, I'll put in parentheses so it doesn't get you confused, which means my total area is 23.375. So that is the area. And again, this is an approximation. Yesterday, I told you guys the actual area was 23.33 repeating. And you can see 23.375, that is really close compared to yesterday's number. Okay? So remember, MRAM will give you probably the best approximation.